Guys, hapon na naman. Nunudo tayo kay Kaden. Pero dahil may oras pa tayo, tingin tayo ng mail. Natin kung may mail tayo. Sama ko si Ella. Napakainit yan. Temperature yata ngayon is 27. Init. Mga 10 minutes bago umalis si Kaden sa school. So, maraming pang oras natin. Si Ella sumisilip. Hello!
Hello.
Hello! Hindi katulad sa umaga. Parang kanina umaga temperature is 7 lang. Ngayong hapon sobrang init na. 2 digit na, 27. Sakto lang naman. Hindi siya ganun kalakas ang hangin. Maglalaro sila mamaya ng park ulit. Maglalaro din ulit kami ng badminton mamaya ni Joan. Lapit na tayo sa mailbox. Check ko kami ng mailbox. Pinaglaro ko muna si El. Tagal-tagal pa, mga 10 minutes pa bago umalis. Lapit naman pumunta sa sa bus stop. Mga 10 minutes eh. Wala pang 10 minutes, nandun na kami.
I want to slide.
Okay, slide.
But I'm so scared.
Don't be scared.
That's weird.
Yeah? Go. Go up. Wait. Hey! You like it? Okay. Hey? Airplane. There. There. To the top. You see the white one?
This white one.
There, it's in the direction of the sun. It's hard to see. Don't look up. It's there. I cannot see. Later,
Come from
in the sky.
where?
Wait. I'll tell you. Okay, look over there. There. On your back. There, do you see the small one flying?
Yeah.
That's the airplane.
That's why I presume it is.
Yeah, it's flying in the sky.
Why is the fire in the sun and the sky?
I don't know. Maybe they need to go somewhere, or they're just practicing.
Why are we practicing then?
Only a few people. Okay, you play na. I'll tell you when we're going to the bus stop, okay? Tapos na yung oras namin. Kailangan na kami punta sa bus stop. Alis na sing bus ni Kaden sa sa school. Yeah,
Why is there egg?
I don't know.
Why is it chicken?
What chicken? Children?
Yes.
Yeah, they're going home from school too.
But why? But we need to pick up Kaya.
Yeah, we need to pick up, but they can go, the other kids can go home by themselves.
Why does it need to go? How about that?
Because they can.
But why does it go on the bed?
Huh?
Why, Daddy?
What, why?
I need to pick her home well. I need to pick her go home well on.
Because they can.
Why is it that?
Because they are safe here. They can go home by themselves.
Why?
Maybe because no one can pick them up, and they're old enough to go home by themselves.
But why?
Wala tayong nakuhang mail ngayon. Isang araw pa bukas. Next week ulit mag-aantay. Walang sulat.
Why is it done?
Where?
Why is it done? She did it done. Coming to bicycle a hat.
Yeah, he's waiting for the clear of the street so he can cross.
Why is it done? What's that?
Because that's their home. They need to go there. Because that's their house. Because after school they go home and eat their merienda, their snacks. What no? Init. Yeah, there's some music. Buti na lang may pahangin ng paminsan-minsan. Lumalabig konti. Let's go, let's go. Oh, big truck, oh. Did you see the big truck? Yeah. Oh, there's a motorcycle. Yeah, that's all. Yeah. Oh. Sit down lang, sit down. Baka mahulog. Okay, we're here. Okay, let's wait for Kuya here. Ay, nakating na si Basila kay Eden.
Come here.
Yay! Kuya's here! Kaya, may na lang ulit.
A few moments later.
It will
Ito pa daw si Kaden. Where did you trip?
Outside.
Oh.
When it's recess time.
Oh, recess. Ella, your hat. Put on your hat.
Why?
And I'll help you this so you won't get hot. Sige, yun na daba.
Hot today at the same time.
Yeah, because it's almost summer.
And mosquitoes.
Not now, maybe when summer start,
I hate.
you will see more mosquito.
I hate summer.
Why?
Because there's more mosquitoes, more I hate summer.
No, we can put some mosquito repellent so they will not bite you. Do you want to play to the playground later?
Yes, when I come home.
Okay.
So when I home.
Maybe in 30 minutes.
Not that long.
Yeah, not that long. Did you finish your snack?
Yes. No,
No?
I can't.
Did you finish your cookies?
It just is so I yes. And my oil.
Oh, your Oreo.
I didn't do that. Where's my oil?
It's not Oreo?
Yes, I look like it.
Oh, it's chocolate chip cookies. Did you finish it?
Yes, it looks like oil.
How about... Oh,
Uh,
it's a good thing you have your
water bottle.
seatbelt. Lola.
My water bottle.
Oh, there's your water bottle. Look.
Oh,
On the side of your back. See, that's why you wear always your seatbelt, Ella.
almost there.
Yeah. You can see it now. Yes. It's your house. Okay, slowly. Slowly. Lie down, Ella. Lie down. So that you won't fall. Nakauwi na.
Chinelas dun, no? May Walmart cart na kami, guys. Hindi ko alam kung sino nag-ano yan. Grabe.
Kapag hinangin yan, sa pool si Olaf.
Ilagay mo nga lang dun. Ay, nandun rin yung isa, oh. Oh. Loko yung
Come on, Kaden.
Grabe naman. Oh, yung daming dandelion dito, oh. Na, guys. Pababa na. Nakisakay ako kay Ate She.
Hello.
Hello! Excited na kayo?
Why does no?
Yan, mukhang namimili na.
No
Hi, Kaden.
Are the toys there?
Hi, hello.
There.
We'll look there after, okay? Mommy is looking, eh? Yeah, hello. Namimili na ng mga jacket sa pants.
Parang hindi ko na matanggal to. So ayun, nakakuha kami ng 3 for 25. Ay, dito nga parang magaganda ate. Oh, free daw, Daryl.
No toys here.
So, yan guys. Nandito kami sa mga bahay-bahay. Ganyan. Ayan, may kakalat na naman po si Kaden. Hindi na tayo bibili, ha?
Meron pa doon.
Saan?
Diretso doon pero
Sasakyan na tayo. Oo nga. Ay! Oo nga ate, dapat ginawa nating ano no? Tag 5 na lang, no? Oh, best offer, no?
Pag sinabi siya kasan, hindi siya
Pag sinabi niyang no, hindi dun pala sa... Hindi gumana yung pagiging ano natin. Oo. Ayan guys. Uy, ang dami, oh. Ay, Ella. Ayan, oh. Trek pa, oh. No? Pwede na yan. Ayusin lang ni Kuya. Di ba, Daryl? Ayan, oh. $10 lang. Trek na bike.
Pati sa likod, yun yung sa harap.
They really should work on it. The tires are flat right now.
Yeah.
It's working?
Yeah.
Only the tires?
Yeah.
The problem?
Babalik mo pa ako.
Ayan, oh. $10. $10 lang. Good deal na yung 10.
Oo.
Saan ka pa? Mas mahal pa yung bag na binili ko na. Yung bike na yun, maaayos pa ni Kuya yun nang sa gulong lang. Binike pa nga nung pogi na bata eh, no? Pogi yung bata.
Mabait sila, mabait.
Oo, mabait sila kasi pinampa nila eh.
Oo, nice.
Oo, nahiya sila. $10 na nga lang. Gusto ba? Complete air pa. Worth it yung yung pag-ikot.
Worth it yung
Oo.
pag-garage.
Oo, worth it. Yan yung parang best deal so far. Ayan na. Ang reyna ng garage sale. Magkakapal yung Ito kaya, mas malaki oh. $2. Kung ano. Ito ang pinakamahal na binili natin, yung damit.
Oo.
No?
Oo. Ano lang, first try kasi.
Oo.
Kaya
Na-overwhelm kami. Ay, diba? Ito sila. Their armor 25 cents plus this one. Oh, diba? Grabe. Saan ka pa? Punong-puno na. Ha ha ha. Oo nga eh. Trinay mo pa. Hindi mo nakita 30 dati. Tapos may
mga
siya.
last day niya na rin ngayon.
Oo, sabi niya, sige na para maano na natin to. Eh, hindi naman sila kasi magaling mag-ayos na katulad natin na
Turn right onto Sherwood Drive.
na si Kuya naman kaya niyang gawin yun ng paraan.
Oo.
Diba? Maayos niya yun. Madami naman siyang alam na kumpo-kumpuni. Ito oh, pwede na dito. Ay, bus stop to ate ah. No?
In 500 meters, turn left onto Courtney Street.
Hindi ka pwede dito, bus stop to.
At
Lemonade
saka
na.
yung mga ang tawag dito.
Mga good deal yung nakukuha mo
Minsan
dito.
mahal pa sa White City, di ba?
Oo.
Ayaw nila magkatawag doon.
Ayaw nga nila.
White City
Dito, okay sila dito.
di ba?
Oo. Yung mga madadaanan na lang. Buta taas. Wala. Wala daw toy si Ella. Sad si Ella. Sad naman ng bebe na yan. Ay! That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. $2.